Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. Like if you try to log in your TikTok account with Facebook, you face any kind of error like fail to log in or anything like that. So I can tell you how you can do that. First of all, go to your app store and make sure that you're using the latest version of TikTok mobile. If there is any update, just make sure to download the update. Once you download the update, restart your application and hopefully after that it will be fixed. Once you do that, after that, go inside the settings of your mobile phone. If you're using Android or iPhone, doesn't really matter. Go inside the apps and find the TikTok application. Let me just find it. And once you find the TikTok application, otherwise you can just search it here, TikTok. And once you find your TikTok application, make sure that if you have not allowed any of the settings which is related to like the storage or anything like that, make sure to turn it on. Like once you turn it on, after that restart and try again. But let's say that you still face the issue. So what you can do is just clear cache and clear data inside the Android, and in iPhone just delete the application. Once you remove the application, delete it and reinstall the application. Also, make sure that you're using the latest version of Facebook inside your mobile phone. Once you do that, hopefully your problem will be solved. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.